In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through on Microsoft Teams. If you want to cross out text in a Teams message, the process is simple once you know where the formatting tools are. This is useful when you want to show that something has been updated, completed, or no longer applies, without fully deleting the original text. Let's walk through it together. Start by going to Chat in Microsoft Teams. Open the conversation where you want to send your message. Entonces for where you want to draft text with formatting. Make sure your message box is active so you're ready to type or edit the text you want to work with. Next, look at the message box and click the plus icon. This opens up more options related to composing your message. If you don't usually use advanced formatting in Teams, this is often the first place to expand your tools and access features beyond plain text. After that, click on Show Formatting Options. Once you do this, the message box expands and the formatting toolbar becomes visible. This toolbar gives you access to text styling choices like bold, italics, and of course, strike through. If you've ever wondered why the option wasn't immediately visible, this is the key step that reveals it. Now highlight the text you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the word, phrase, or sentence you want to cross out. Be careful to select only the exact text you want affected because the formatting will apply only to the highlighted section. With the text selected, click on the strike through icon in the formatting toolbar. As soon as you click it, your highlighted text should appear with a line through it. This lets other people in the chat still read the original wording while clearly seeing that it has been marked as changed or no longer relevant. That's all it takes to use strike through in Microsoft Teams. If the option doesn't seem to work at first, double check that the text is highlighted before you click the icon and make sure the formatting toolbar is still open. A small detail like that can make all the difference. Once your text looks the way you want, you can continue editing the rest of the message or send it as usual. Strike through is a small formatting feature, but it can make your communication much clearer, especially when you are collaborating with a team and need to show revisions or completed items quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you use strike through more confidently in Microsoft Teams.